So I'm happy to announce that sending money to China is now available on my exchange platform. So my name is Keith, and for the past 6 years I've been helping people buy and sell and exchange crypto and other e-wallet funds. So you can actually use my platform called KeithFX.com to actually send money to China. But not only that, my platform has got almost everything that does not work in Zambia, but it allows you to do them, such as PayPal, okay, Pioneer, Crypto, Screw, and Perfect Money. So like all you need to do to be able to send money to China, okay, it's easy and it's the same as for other uh e-wallets that are here. So all you need to do is, first of all, you're going to be sending kwacha, right? But you want the kwacha to be converted into China's currency, which is CNY. Okay, so we're going to choose on Zambian kwacha, then you're going to be sending money to China. So you can actually use my platform to send money to China, to Alipay, okay, to WeChat and Union Card. So there are three ways of actually sending money to China using my platform. So that is Alipay, WeChat, and Union Card. So I've just added China to just categorize them under one. So now all you need to do is simply enter in the amount in kwacha that you'd like to send. Let us say we'd like to send 1,000 kwacha. Okay, so enter in 1,000 kwacha and you'll be showing you like how much, okay, you're going to receive. So my rates on this website are updated every day. So every day you're going to find new rates. So I use current rates. So unlike other people, they've got their own custom rates that they use. But as for me, I use the current exchange rate. But of course, it's not that cheap. It's a bit expensive. So when I click exchange, that is when I'll be able to see the fees that I'm going to the fees I'm going to be charged to send money to China. But here's what's going to happen. If I click on exchange now, it's not going to work. It's going to ask me to log in. So for me to be able to see the fees and to proceed into sending money to China, actually, I need to have an account on this website. So what I need to do is, first of all, is click on register with an account. So as for me, I already have an account. So what I'm going to do is simply log in. So let me go back to the login page. So I've now logged into my dashboard. So the dashboard is going to look like this. The first thing I'm going to see is just some links to other important information. For example, if you want to begin exchanging, click on exchange. If you need any help, you'll be shown my number, so you don't have to search everywhere to find my number. Then if you'd like to join my WhatsApp channel, my Telegram, my YouTube channels, and my Facebook page. So now here you'll be able to see all the links to my platform. So by knowing the links to my platform, you're going to prevent yourself from actually messaging, because when it comes to Facebook, there are a lot of pages which are fake in my name. So don't inbox me there, only inbox me from the links which are shown here. So if the link is not shown here, do not trust it, like in beginning a conversation. So I think it would be better if you need any help with this, just WhatsApp me. Yeah, I think that's the best. So this is the dashboard now, and on the dashboard is simply going to, no, this is not necessary. So now, since you want to send money to China, what you need to do is click on exchange now. Then now we're back again at the, we are back again at the same page. Now this time it's going to work because we are actually logged in. Now I'm going to choose Zambian kwacha again, then actually send to China, enter in an amount. Okay, enter in an amount and simply click on. Okay, so you're going to see the fee. So you're going to send 1,000 kwacha, right? Then the receiver is going to receive 238 CNY and you're going to be charged 47. But remember, this is not the final fee you're going to be paying. Okay, and the fee will always be different, and sometimes to be cheaper, sometimes to be, sometimes to be small, sometimes to be big. But the thing is, before you can actually proceed and make the payment and send money to China, you'll be able to see the fees and you'll be able to tell if they're okay with you or if they're not. So from there now you'll be able to know how you can proceed. So now you need to provide this information. So for me to process the payment, you need to choose how I would like the receiver to get paid. So if it's WeChat, enter in the WeChat ID or number or email. If it's Alipay email or phone number. If it's Union card, enter in the Union card. If it's PayPal, enter in the PayPal email. Okay. So now enter in. Okay, enter in any way, but it would be better if you could provide all this information, just in case, like if WeChat fails, I can proceed with Alipay. If Alipay fails, I can proceed with Union card. But if you can provide all three of these, that would be better. But if even one is just okay. So now choose one. Okay, make sure at least you enter one. So let me just write in some random things. Then now I have to click on process exchange. Now the next stage is for you to actually send me the money. So now send me the money, which is the kwacha, right? And once I receive the kwacha, that is when I'm going to proceed and begin the sending money to China. Yeah. So now when you're done, simply write in your names, your legal names, and click on process. So remember, after sending money, that is when you click on process. So when you click on process exchange, I'm going to receive the exchange request, and I'm going to check if I've received the money from you. And if I've received the money from you, I'm going to begin sending the money to China. And as soon as possible as it is done, you're going to be updated. So this whole process can be instant and can take up to maybe 4 hours maximum a day, but usually it's near instant. So it's that easy. If you need any help, simply WhatsApp me. This is my number. But for now, this is Keith.